Today's video is about types of motion graph. So there are three types of motion graphs: distance or displacement versus time graph, velocity versus time graph, and acceleration time graph. Distance time graph with constant speed. Distance time graph with constant speed. For uniform speed, a graph of distance traveled against time is a straight line. So please observe that on x-axis we have time, on y-axis we have distance. So using this graph we can determine the speed. For that, draw a line parallel to x-axis from the point A and another line parallel to y-axis from point B. These two lines meet each other at point C and they form a triangle ABC. Now on the graph, AC denotes the time interval t2 minus t1, while BC corresponds to distance s2 minus s1. Distance travelled is s2 minus s1 and time is t2 minus t1. The speed v of the object therefore can be represented as v is equal to s2 minus s1 upon t2 minus t1. Distance time graph with constant speed. In that, the slope of a distance time graph represents velocity. A constant slope means constant velocity. The slope can be positive, negative, or 0. Let's have a look at it. This is the positive slope, means positive velocity. The line parallel to x-axis, that is to the time axis, is 0 slope because the velocity here in this case is 0 because the distance remained constant. And this is negative slope, depicting negative velocity. Now this is the distance time graph with changing velocity. This curve shows a changing slope, which means changing velocity. Now how to find the velocity using this graph? The slope of the tangent line to the curve represents the instantaneous velocity. Now is velocity time graph. This is 0 slope, which means 0 acceleration. This is positive slope, means positive acceleration, and this is negative slope, which means negative acceleration. VT graph with constant acceleration. In that, we have the slope of a velocity time graph that represents acceleration. A constant slope implies a constant acceleration. The slope can be positive, negative, or 0. VT graph displacements. So the area under the curve to the x-axis represents the displacement of the object. The area can be found using simple geometric formulas. Now this is the graph of VT, velocity time graph for uniform motion. This line parallel to time axis, and this is the line parallel to velocity, or we can say y-axis. This yellow area is the area and it represents displacement. The area is equal to length multiply width. And suppose if there is a positive slope, in that case draw a line parallel to y-axis. This triangular area will give you the displacement. And what is the formula for area of triangle? It is half into base into height. Now acceleration time graph with constant acceleration. The slope of an acceleration time graph will be 0 in this course. A 0 slope implies a constant acceleration, and the area under the curve represents the change in velocity of the object. This we have already seen. Now acceleration time graph with change in velocities. This is the line parallel to time axis, and this is line parallel to y-axis, and this yellow area is the area covered, as we have already discussed. And this area will give you change in velocity. Area is equal to length multiply width. Now let's summarize this. When we use distance time graph, slope represents velocity. And when we are using velocity time graph, the slope represents acceleration. Area under the curve represents displacement. And in acceleration time graph, area under curve represents change in velocity.